Guys, we received this 4-in-1 wireless charging station for multiple devices for test and try. This is from Easy to Life. And then is a fast massive charger for iPhones like 12, 13, 15 series and AirPods with Apple Watch and a light. So, or a night lamp. So let me just open the box and show you the things. So this comes with this power cable adapter, the main unit, the stand. So this looks like a premium quality one, little heavy stand. So nice looking stand. So everything is marked on it, like what type of things. So I have to remove this protective covering first. So this is for like iPhone 12 to 15 and the newest iPhones. So the Apple Watch is for Ultra SE and other watches like 7 and 8. So this is for the AirPods with the MagSafe charging. So it's a nice quality thing here that I can feel, and it's a USB-C charging. So let me just set this up. So this is a USB-C cable and the adapter is to 240 watts, so it can be used anywhere. You can just take it with you. And this is the one thing that can charge three things together. So let me just put everything and set this up. So this is for the light, like the night lamp. So for the airport, this is a magnetic thing. So say like it will just stick towards the magnetic, and you can see the charging light is on. For the watch, also again you can just put the watch on this corner thing. So let me just put in this one. So this is also magnetic, and the watch also start charging here. For the iPhone, you can see the charging here. So this is all magnetic, and then everything is quite charging. So it's really nice. And then you can also use it as a night lamp. So there's a light on the back of this MagSafe charger that I will show you a little later on. So it's a nice thing. So you can see like the charging. It my watch is full, so uh, it doesn't say anything on it. And then it's magnetic, and this one also charged. So all the three products can be charged in one. And then there is the light in the back of this charger. So that's how. So it's a really nice night lamp, and you can also adjust, you know, the slantness of this one for the iPhone. Rest everything is fixed, and you can just adjust this lightness here, and you can also put your iPhone just like a clock or like to watch or use it as a stand as well. So very nice thing to charge all your three things together, and yep, very useful and very nice looking.